We're gonna start this off with a little bit of a meh. Well, actually, this game is, well, it's a demo, but still, it's new. Have you ever seen? My thing, okay, it is working. Nice. Intro is always good to hear. Man, I love this intro. Maybe I should turn down my volume. I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Can't jump in this game, so. Bookworm. What? What? Hi, I'm Wendy Worm, your own personal assistant. Scan the book, use a scanner to look up its checkout history. Sure, maybe I will. Can't sprint in this game. Can't go. I can't go anywhere. What's this? Start. Oh, it's LP, of course, because they don't want to. You know, what is this? Why is this just like a thing here covered in glass or whatever? I don't know. I don't know. So what books am I supposed to scan here? What exactly am I supposed to scan here? I go a little more quicker when I'm diagonally running. See that? So where's the books at? And what do we need to scan? Oh, it's right here. Hey Margaret, found an odd tape and book returns. Haven't looked into it myself, but I was hoping you could take a look at it when you can. It is in the locked cabinet. You remember the code, right? Also, I don't remember the code. I am not Margaret. I might be, but I'm not really sure on who I'm playing as. Also, you might need to take a look at some of the books. I've been told some of them have been tampered with. I swear this is like the 5th one this week. I had to put them inside for you, but I think the new guy... Hello? Is anyone here? Yeah. Yeah. I can't look at the notes. Can't. Oh, I can read the... Come on! Oh, I can crouch. So the book before I was able to grab, but it was just not in my reach. I think the new guy accidentally put them back into the library without looking. I hate to ask, but if you've got a moment, could you look around the library, see if you can find them? There should be a history of these books in the library database, so use that to help you find them. Don't stay up too late. Have a good... Don't tell me what to do, Sophie. I hate you. What's this? Oh, the scanner. Of course. Where's the scanner at? Greg the Grape 2. The Raisin's Curse. This sucks. So, what? Do I not do that or whatever? Because I found a book that's like just been laying here. Oh, and here too. A dragon and a car. I'm not gonna. What? Guys, what are you saying? I don't know. What's the? Whoopsie. Grown attached. Okay. Bro, what are you talking about with this game? I don't get it. I have to grab this book here because it's... Wait, what's this? No, that's just nothing. I have to grab this book here because someone dropped it. There's nothing in it. Oh, yep! I got all the books, so where do I put them? Oh, there's a code. What did they say about the cabinet again? Oh, so all this is just useless to me. I don't even know what the code is. What's the code again? What? What is this? God, I really hope I don't have to do any, like, searching or whatever, but okay. Oh man, all this book returning thing is really making me, like, you know... It's really making me, like, you know... Here, let me just scan this for a second. DS3. I don't know what that means. Oh, these are like... Oh, these are people. Petrock Uwald, Azrael Moriux, Brandon Allen Magella, Matt Manny, Samuel Guglielmo. So, what does that have to do with helping me find these people? So, what? JP6? I don't get it. I don't get what this means. Maybe... I don't know. I don't know what the password is. I can't get into the books. I can't get into the library. Guys, chat, can you please help me where the code is or whatever? I'm trying to find it here, but it doesn't work. Also, my frames are starting to drop. I found a book here too, but I don't know if this is any significance. Oh god. Okay, so 8. Oh, wait. I think I know what the code is. So it's 8 something. So what do we have here? 3, 6. What? What is it? What? Should be 6. The initials is in the is the order of the number. I don't know. This can't be it. I don't know. What's this say? 6. Oh wait! No, wait, no. 3, 6. I don't know if no, I can't do a walkthrough. I've made it so far. I can't do that. Okay, let's see. Scan the book here. Rat. Wait, what? JP6. Hold on. What? Here's the first one. Well, that can't be it. Red 6, the first one. Well, what? Okay, so what? 6. Okay. And what is DS? Wait, but there's 3. Oh, there's 2. What do I go off then? So, well, I guess I have to go off. Well, I can't. See? DS in the DS. Whatever. I think I'm just gonna have to, you know, whatever. Whatever. Okay. One. I don't even know, man. This is a hard game. I can't even get through the first thing. I can't even get through the first, like, thingy here. What do you always have to say that in my chat? Stop. Don't say that. Guys, I'm just trying to make it, but I don't know how to make it. Gosh. Where do I even go now? Oh. I think I have to find another book before I can, you know. Wait, wait, could I grab something here? Thought I could. Thought it looked like it. Maybe let's just, you know. I don't have any tapes to put it in. Three as a third number. Oops! Okay, what's this? Okay, so 5. Okay. 65, 8. Ow! So, what? So the thing actually worked, but it was just, I had to wait. It wasn't like, you know. So 6358 was correct. I put that in before, but it was just delayed. Or whatever. Okay, I don't get it, but it worked. Okay, now let's plan a trip. Or whatever. That's a way longer. That was way longer than I thought. Hey, what happened to Woolly Guy? What is it? What happened to Sheep Guy? Woolly?
Hi, friends. I'm Amanda. Have you ever wanted to go far, far away? Well, we can.
Yeah.
At least in our imaginations, we can.
I want to go to Norway.
With my magic train.
Yeah!
You can visit anyone in the world. Who would you go see?
You know, this is a very, very hard question. You know, I think you know, guys, can you like, can we just, you know, help me for a second? Because I'm really just trying to think of just someone from, like, you know, someone from like the past or present. You know, I mean, a person. That's like a really hard thing to do. I mean, personally, I wouldn't even know what to even say. I mean.
That sounds like fun. I love to daydream about all the places I could have gone. Think about all the places we can go.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Let's plan a trip. I've made pictures of all the places I want to go. But wow, it's so dark in here. Should I open the curtain or turn on the lamp?
Guys, open the curtain or turn, you know, do we let some air in or do we let some electricity out? Guys. Like, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, let's give up. I want to open the lights. Yay, we got sunlight!
That's much better.
Yay!
Now let's plan that trip.
Natural
there
light.
are 3 places I want to go on my magic train today. First, I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Boring!
Where can I do that?
The Eiffel Tower. It could be any of these, but which one more looks like a tower? Tower, you know? Pretty sure this guy owes me. So, what's the most cheapest out of, like, these here? The most expensive? I think it's this one.
That would be a fun place to see. But the Eiffel Tower isn't there, silly.
Oh! My bad. Okay, it might be here.
Jeez, can't you figure this out?
I don't know geometry that well. It has to be this one.
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Jeez.
But where's that in the world? I think it's gonna be... Okay, whatever.
We'll go to Paris first on the magic train. It looks like a ticket to Paris costs 2 coins. Let's see what I have in my piggy bank.
That's so cheap to go to
What's
France.
The best way to open this piggy bank? I can pull out the plug, or I can smash it.
Pull the... So, what? Shadow or something? Nah, smash it. Of course.
You're no fun.
Well, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that! I want it to be fun. Come on, don't say that to me. Are you serious? Oh, you smashed it anyways. Oh, crap, come on. Oh, whatever. You know what? You smashed it.
Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes!
I have 5 coins.
Whoa,
That's
you're so
more
rich.
than enough for our first stop.
We could go like
we just
2
need
times.
To take away 2 coins. Can you count them?
Let's see. -2.
The next place I want to go is very special because it makes me think of our friend Gretchen over there. Let's go to the Isle of Dead Dolls. Where can I find that?
Baby.
Wow, planning this trip with you is going to take forever, isn't it?
Photos.
Looks like someone needs to brush up on their cultural knowledge.
No, don't. It has to be, this one.
The owner of the Isle of Dead Dolls hangs dolls to keep demons away. Do you think that really works? It's near Mexico City, okay?
What is Mexico? I want to go to, whatever this is for whatever.
Our next stop is Mexico City. A ticket to Mexico City on my magic train costs 3 coins.
That's a scam!
Anyway, that ticket costs 3 coins, so let's take those away from what we have.
Yay!
1,
we go to Mexico! 3. Yay! Yay, we got 2 trips, man! We got 2 trips! That's so cool! Yes!
And I still have one more place I want to visit. We need some more money.
But how do you get money?
What are we going to do?
But you have so much money.
I can sell one of these for some coins. Which one do you think will get us the most coins?
Oh. Well, I have to choose the bear.
You really think I can get coins for that old thing?
The bear.
You have really weird taste in toys.
The bear.
Okay, so which one can I...
Ah, the bear! The bear. I don't even care about this one. The bear. What did you do to the bear? You turned him into like clouds or something. Oh, fine. I'll choose the chicken.
What's so funny, Mr. Rooster? Someone gave this to me when I was feeling really bad and scared, and it made me laugh. I hope he can go make someone else laugh.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Could you speak up for me? Mr. Rooster, no!
Wow,
he got turned into coins.
Mr. Rooster.
No.
Okay, let's see
Rooster's
how much
cheap.
our next destination costs. I love learning about history on my trips. Where can I take a tour and learn about Jack the Ripper?
It would have to be, this one.
We're going to London!
Yay, we're finally going to Big
London
Ben!
Is 4 coins, and I only have 3. I don't know where I'm going to get more coins for my trip. I might as well not even go anywhere. Wait a minute. I have a coin in my pocket.
Oh!
Now I have 4.
We're going to
That's
London!
enough for our
Yes!
last stop.
Oh my... Oh, whoa.
No, no, no! Go away! Get this weirdo out of here!
What happened?
No, no, no! He ate one of my coins!
No! -1! No! Oh my gosh! Dad, no! How could you do this to me? No! Oh my goodness! Oh no! That's not good.
I want to go on my trip! Where can I find more coins now?
Uh-oh, that's not good. I don't know. So, what do we click? What do I click? So do I go here? Cause I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is either.
Wow, you're smart. There's always all kinds of stuff in this sofa
I
cushion.
didn't even click the sofa. Well, I didn't keep the couch cushion. What are you talking about? Wow, we got +3 on that. -4.
Oh, hey, it's time to catch my train.
Admission is only 4 coins. It cannot. Yes.
This is fun, I guess. But I wish I really could go see the world.
Damn. I will get back to this later. Thanks. Oh, it says watch me. I guess I you know. Hey, it says watch me. I should watch him.
It gets awfully lonely in here at night. There's a legend that there is a special toy hidden deep in these woods. It makes me think about what... Okay, which toothbrush do you think I know which one you like. The blue one. How did you get it? Who even
What?
are you? Go away! We shouldn't talk about them. Hi, I'm Amanda. Hi, I'm Amanda. Hi, friends. You didn't help me at all. So you'd better find something good for me.
Man, what are you...
But I guess we all get a little scared at night, right? What
Man.
are you afraid of?
Man, what are you talking about? Man, man, fall? Man. Man, what are you talking about, man?